Let's prove this trig identity. On the left side, we have cosine theta over 1 minus sine squared theta. Supposedly this equals secant theta. How might we do this? Let's start with that left-hand side. That's a little bit more complicated. And I spy in the denominator 1 minus sine squared. That's awfully reminiscent to our Pythagorean identity, cosine squared plus sine squared theta equals 1. We can shift this around. Subtract sine squared from both sides. This would say cosine squared is 1 minus sine squared. And this we can substitute in since it's exactly the denominator. Now our equation would say cosine theta over cosine squared theta equals secant. This is looking a little bit better. We can just reduce that left-hand side. Cosine over cosine squared, just properties of exponents. This would be 1 over cosine theta equals secant theta. And we're done because secant theta is 1 over cosine theta via that reciprocal identity. We had to remember the Pythagorean identity, and in fact we had to rearrange it a little bit to solve for what we had.